Naledi Apiwe did a follow-up post after she did the statement about the comments that she made in the past about Zimbabweans, and I'm going to translate what it means in this video. The caption, it means, "I am sorry, Zimbabweans. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings, people of Zimbabwe." She then commented on that same video on her video, and it reads as follows in English: "You at home won't understand this. Please be quiet while I'm trying to fix my problems." And in some of the comments, people have been saying that, the apology was not genuine, that she is so arrogant. And I can see where they would be coming from this. But I feel like having a sense of humor, or finding humor in whatever thing that she was trending, which was a negative thing, yes, but I feel like she's trying to turn it into like a positive thing, and that's how I see it. Like, she's trying to not look sad about it and find humor in it, probably trying to soothe Zimbabweans that, hey, I mean, we can still joke around, right? Like, I feel like she's trying to grab the attention of like Zimbabweans in getting her to like, forgive her. But some people were calling her arrogant, some people were calling her calling her out, like the apology was not genuine. Why did she even apologize, in the first place? But all I'm gonna say is that Naledi Apiwe is young. You cannot control how someone deals with negativity, especially like an artist who's in the public eye. We expect them to be sad and be sobbing, but remember, guys, when it comes to certain countries, Naledi Apiwe has nothing to lose. Like, her comment that she made is not going to make her lose brand deals. Wait, why? Because of South Africa does not have cancel culture. It doesn't. You can say the most outrageous thing, and tomorrow you will still wake up and work with the biggest brands in South Africa. Cancel culture doesn't work here. So she knows she has nothing to lose monetary wise. She also is talented, but also public image is important. That's why I feel like it was also important for her to put out that statement, because as a celebrity, you have people watching you, especially the younger generation. People always say bad publicity is still good publicity, but to a certain point, the other things that you say that cannot be forgotten, and you will be reminded. Now imagine if she was invited to go and perform in Zimbabwe, because people do go to Zimbabwe. Imagine, how would people even buy her tickets? If she was invited to, maybe let's say, Zambia, and they felt like that comment was bad, would they still want to support her? Because she has a huge fan base in Africa, not only in South Africa but in Africa. So it might also play a bad role, but still, I say, she still has nothing to lose. And she is not arrogant. She's just a child. Like, let's give her grace. She will learn. She's still a child, but at least she's finding a sense of humor in this. A lot of South Africans were like, "Oh my gosh, girl, you are so funny. Like, let's joke about it." But yes, what she said, it was kind of serious, honestly. I think putting in thought that they are our neighboring countries, like, it was kind of insensitive of her, but she did apologize and she's moving on. As you guys can see, I don't think we can call that arrogance. So what do you guys think, guys? Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.